Hey, I'm John, and I'm guessing that you're here because you went to your store and you expected to see something like this, where you could see a whole bunch of your products. But instead, what you actually saw was this brand new message: great things are on the horizon. Now, obviously, this isn't what you want your customers to see. You want them to see your shopping cart. So you're wondering what's going on. Well, let me show you. Over here, WooCommerce, starting in version 9.1, has added a new feature called a coming soon mode. And I've had it happen on a couple of sites where the setting got triggered accidentally, and I'm going to show you how to set it. So let's jump into the WordPress dashboard, and under WooCommerce, you can go over here to settings, and then you can go right over here to site visibility. And now you're going to see there's a whole site visibility section here where you have the option for coming soon. And if you do this, you have a couple of different options actually. One is just for the store page only, or if you want to block your entire site, you can do that by doing this. If we jump back over here to where we're logged out and refresh, you'll see the entire site will actually be blocked from users. That's not what we want. We want to just come into here, turn this to live, hit save, and now our logged out users can see our store. I hope you find that helpful. If you do, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video.